So it's been a little while since we did a Freestyle campus update, so I wanted to show off the progress here. It's coming along. See, the buildings are coming along, coming up. You can see that the walls are getting finished up. There's the back end of the studio, the back end of the classrooms, right there. Back end of the building by the district office there. You can see the buildings are really coming up. They put up the siding on all the walls there. You can kind of get an idea of how big the quad space is going to be. It's coming along. They tell us January. There's some of the studios and some of the classrooms. There's the film room right over there. Another classroom over there. There's the end of the campus. This empty spot here is, of course, where the old film room used to be. It's going to be empty space for the time being. They might build something one day on that spot. And then here's what was always the front of the buildings from the student parking lot. It's kind of hard to see through the fences and through the hedges, but here you go. And over there's the film room. So it's really coming along. They tell us we'll be able to move in January. We'll see how that goes. We're very excited. We're very hopeful that we'll be able to get moved in there quickly for the next semester. It'd be nice to get back on our real campus.